In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Insta360 X3 to your iPhone or Android phone. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. Okay, alright. So if you want to use your iPhone, open your App Store, or if you want to use your Android, open your Play Store. Go to search option, search it to press on search option. Okay, then you get these apps. At first need to install these apps. I'm already installed these apps, so go back, go to my control center, make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, just turn on this and power on your camera. Okay, power on and open these apps. Okay, at first need to connect, press on, then showing it to your camera name and it's connected. Press on to join. Now successfully connect your camera in this phone. Okay, and you can easily control your camera in this phone. If you want to transfer photo or video, press on album option. So look here, showing it to my video or photo. Or if you want to take photo or video using your phone, press on. So just I'm moving this camera. So look here, and take an object and just focus. So look here, I'm focus, just using camera. I'm easily control from my phone. Okay, stop, and that's it.